Hey, you there. Have you ever scrolled on Instagram and you seen this new shoe that you never ever seen before in a colorway you've never seen before, and you can already tell that Nike is going to discriminate against Bigfoot people? Well, today we have another shoe that dropped in another women's colorway that showed us no love. I'm happy for them though, they get their own colorways, but this one, that shit hurt it, because this colorway is very, very, very fire. And that's the UNC 1'S in patent leather. And this is a crazy shoe. It's not too much to talk about, just navy and light blue patent leather, light blue outsole. There's nothing too much, and I prefer these over the gold toes. So I had the gold toes, but I like these more. These are more fire, and it's more subtle. I mean, they're both easy to rock, but I go with this one. Yeah, but these are a very fire shoe. Like I was saying, I prefer these over the gold toes. And it's like, I just want y'all to drop the hashtag stop discrimination against Bigfoot people, cause it's getting out of hand. It really is, and it hurts, cause you see how fire this shoe is. But anyways, we gonna go out back, get some close-ups of the shoe. I can't take it no more. They acting like I won't cut the toe out and cut the back out and rock these like some Jesus sandals, cause I will. Anyway, man, let's go.
Have you or a loved one ever been diagnosed with... That's the wrong shit? Okay. Have you or a loved one ever been discriminated against because of your foot size? Call the number you see on the screen. Disclaimer, don't actually call the number on the screen. I don't know who it is. Don't tell them it was me. Enjoy the video. Have a nice day.